Hey everyone, I'm Laura Bertotti with Keller Williams, and I am here today with Randi Wright from Cityscape Home Mortgage, and we're going to talk to you a little bit today about pre-approvals. Hi Randi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. So let's just get into it. What exactly does it mean to get pre-approved?
So it just means that you have filled out a loan application and that a lender has pulled your credit, they've taken a good look at your income and your assets, and they have determined which loan is the best type for you to go forward with buying a house.
Okay.
And we can get you a pre-approval letter, and that's sort of your magic wand for realtors to go unlock doors for you and show you houses.
Great. Okay, so before someone gets pre-approved or even talks to a lender, is there anything they should do or can do?
So I always say if they want to just jump into it, that's usually the best way. A lot of times people think they need to do certain things before applying for a loan, but often they don't. Sometimes they think things are going to give them better scores, or they think things that they can do are going to help them, but oftentimes they just need good advice. They need a plan. So if we can see where they stand right now, then we can tell them what to do and what not to do in order to, approve for a loan.
Okay, so one of their first steps really is talking to you, giving you a call, and then you can help them determine if there's something else they might need to do.
Correct. So a lot of times people will think like, I need to pay off this credit card, or I need to, close an account. That is not the case a lot of times. That can actually cause a drop in scores. So you want to be very surgical about things that you're going to do that might change your credit. Also, people sometimes think, oh, I need to go ahead and get this promotion before I apply for a job. Well, let's talk about that. Maybe you don't need to go ahead and get the promotion. Maybe you qualify now. And then if that promotion happens during the loan process, we can always update your loan file.
Okay, that's great information. So if they call you, their credit's looking good, what's next?
So if credit looks good, the next thing we look at is debt to income ratio. And we also talk to you about how much you're going to put as a down payment, or maybe you need down payment assistance. We're going to look at all of these things to determine what it is you're going to qualify for. Okay. So that's a conversation that we have, and we kind of give you a plan for how to make it all come together.
Okay, that's great. When it comes to choosing a lender, what are some things that you think are important that they should look for?
So you definitely want to use a lender that's local to Tulsa. There's a lot of reasons why you want that. One is your realtor comes to know the local lenders, and they have better communication about your loan process, where it is in the process that you're going to close on time. They know all of these things. But also, we have relationships with the title companies here and the insurance agents here, and all of the different vendors that come together with the loan process. They happen a lot faster and a lot better when you're using local people. When you use someone out of state, you're just a number. They don't know you. They're not held as accountable. A lot of times those out-of-state lenders will look at your credit scores and issue a pre-approval letter without ever talking to you, without knowing what your plans are, without really reviewing income. So when you use somebody local, you really have a much stronger pre-approval letter, and you have a better chance of closing on time and everything be going a lot smoother.
That makes sense. And just from my experience, it's easier to get in touch with someone that's here locally usually.
For sure. I mean, we have a really high chance of running into you at research. So
Right.
We want to be available to you. And if we run into you, we don't want to run to the other aisle because we don't have an answer for you. You have our cell phone number. You can reach us anytime. We are local. We're real people. We're not automating this in a way that you can't reach us. That's part of customer service, is being available to you.
Okay, great. So once someone has their lender picked out, how does the actual application work?
So we can do it a few ways. One, we can send you a link and you can fill it out online. That's usually the fastest. It's also the way that people really like, because they can do it late at night, they could do it early in the morning, they could do it when they have a break at work. It has a lot of flexibility when you do it online. But if you're not computer savvy and you don't like that, you can always make an appointment to do it on the phone, or you can come in and see us in person and we can do it just in person.
Okay, great. And then one last question. How long is a pre-approval good for?
It's good for about 120 days, and then it expires. So that's about 4 months. It's good as long as the credit report is good. Now, if it should expire and you haven't found a house yet, all we have to do is copy over a new file, pull credit again, and get you pre-approved again. It's very easy, and you know, sometimes people don't find a house as fast as they want to, so
Right.
they can expire. But most of the time, if people are really serious about finding a house, they usually find one within that 4-month period.
Okay. Well, I think this has been some great information. Thank you, Randy.
You're welcome.
And if you are looking or thinking of looking for a house, reach out to me. If you're wanting Randy's information, we'll get that out to you as well, and let us know how we can help.